Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California. This is my third visit to their campus for this school year and my final one too. Today was really powerful. Grades 6, 7, and 8, the AM, PM after school, students and staff right here in the library where we usually meet. The program was called Cross the Line, a brand new one in my series, and it was very eye-opening, very heart-heavy as well. And it was based on the movie The Freedom Writers, right? Played by Hilary Swank. She's the actress, but she plays Erin Gruel, was actually a teacher here in California at a high school in Long Beach, based on a true story, right? And it's her and her students that were called the Freedom Writers. And they wrote their own diaries, their own stories that they shared. But the one activity where she was able to really reach them, right? That kind of like that turning point was called Cross the Line. And it was a piece of tape on the floor. Today we used some colored dots on the carpet here. And if something applied to you, you would cross the line. And then you would look back at the people that didn't cross it. You know, you would notice how that feels. You would look at the people that did cross it, notice how that feels. So trying to get attuned into your emotions, into your feelings. And it started off with a lot of lighter type of categories, descriptors. You know, if you cross the line if you were born in California, right? Cross the line if you have siblings, you know. But then it got deeper and deeper, right? More emotional. Cross the line if you've ever been teased or judged. If you ever, you know, been called something racist, you know, had a racist comment towards you. Cross the line if you come from a divorced family, if you've thought about suicide or self-harm. And the students, it was like a pin drop. You know, of course, there's a little bit of side talking and joking when it first begins, but by the end of it, there were some tears, and tears of the sweat of our strength means we're starting to heal and feel. There was a lot of support, some hugs from each other, and it was just, you know, really touched my heart because they started to see that some of their fellow classmates who they thought they knew, maybe they didn't really realize some of the things that they're going through or how that person felt. But then when you see them cross that line and you extend that, that emotional care and concern for that person, even with your eyes, right? Even with that heart-to-heart moment, you start to realize that we're a lot more similar than we are different, right? That we're sometimes all going through different tough life situations. And the students, we had a little open share at the end, you know, what they thought, what feelings they were experiencing. And a lot of them raised their hand. I said, listen, this is the time, this is like the most you've ever talked when I've come. And I think it was because they got vulnerable. You know, even some of the adults that participated too showed that level of vulnerability is okay. It was a safe space, right? And for them to really embrace it, some of the awkwardness, some of the discomfort, that's when we start to grow, right? This was a challenge by choice activity, and they did choose, you know, to participate fully. And I'm hoping it did bring some more healing, it did bring some more hope, and that will continue for the rest of this school year and beyond. So thank you so much for being here today, for touching my heart. You always do. Have a great rest of 2025, 2026, great summer break as well. Hope to see you again in the near future too. As always though, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.